Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking real crazy right now. Oh my god. I can't believe that I came on camera looking this crazy, but you know, it is what it is. I'm about to turn a hard 3.5 to a 10.5. Okay, so today I'm gonna do a hairstyle that I already did on this channel. I can't even look at the monitor because I just know I look insane. But I'm gonna take these Jamaican bounce curls and I'm gonna do a style that I did before in my hair because, you know, it's getting to be that time in the winter or fall. Well, we're still in fall. That time in the fall where I don't really feel like doing my hair much. So I need a nice little protective style. And we're gonna just transform this hair and this face. Excuse my acne. I had cheesecake and my face decided to just explode in bumps. So yeah, that's that. But anyways, let's get started. All right, so I separated my hair into 3 sections and now I'm going in with this Jamaican bounce hair. The color I'm using this time though is gonna be 1B Burgundy. So it's like a little off red. It's like perfect for fall. But before I put that in my head, I'm going to go in with this tool right here. I purchased this from Burlington and it looks like this. What it is a blade. And what this blade is gonna do, honey, is clean up that kitchen. There's like this stuff right here. Minna like that. I do this in the bathroom because I need to put another mirror behind my head and just like do a quick clean. But I like this because first of all, it was cheap as hell. It was like $10. And it has this is the on button right here. And it has that little light. It's so convenient. Alright, so now that we cleaned that up, it's time to finally do my hair. I've been walking around looking crazy. And that ends today. This is what the hair looks like. I'm just gonna separate these and actually I'm gonna link the video that I actually did this hairstyle and I am just gonna speed past this. Okay, so we getting somewhere. I have to do a little bit of cutting. This is looking a little granny, a little too crazy. I wanted to do like a half up, half down, and this is giving me church girl with a bad weave. I'm just gonna fix this. I'm not sure if I could do it on camera. I'm gonna try, but I can't really see that great here. I have to look in the mirror. So I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. So I cleaned my hair up a little. I did end up trimming the whatever that was going on up here, making it shorter. I didn't trim too much, but I did like crimp my hair like this, like I don't know what you call this, so I'm gonna call it crimp. So I just pushed it up to make it more like, you know, fluffy and stuff like that. So today I was planning on doing my makeup because I haven't applied makeup in a while. I'm actually gonna try out something pretty cool today and I'm gonna do, I was gonna say brown. I'm gonna do red or burgundy eyebrows. I never tried that before, and because my hair is burgundy, I kind of want to do like a monochromatic look. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it.
Okay, so before applying my eyebrows, I'm just gonna put on some gloss from Mario Badescu. I love this gloss because it has mint in it. It's really nice for my lips, especially during the winter. I'm also gonna clean up my brows a little bit and then go in with this brown pencil from MAC. I'm going to outline my brows first with this pencil. Before going in with that red pencil with Milano, I just wanna make sure I get a good outline before I do that step. Now I'm going to start going in with that red lip pencil. You want to make sure you stay in between the lines that you created prior to this. I try to keep it as clean as possible, even though we're going to clean it up with some concealer later. But basically, I'm going to go back and forth with this red pencil just so that I can get a shade to my liking. I'm going for a burgundy color. I don't want it too red, but I still want you to see the red. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to play around with it and go back and forth with this and the MAC pencil, and I'm also going to brush in between, interchanging the pencils as well. Now, because I wanted to go in with something a little darker, I'm using this brow powder from Wet n Wild. It's called the Ultimate Brow Kit. This came out years ago. I'm not even sure if it's still available, but basically you just want to go in with a brown powder, and I'm just going to apply that, and I think that really set it off. Like, you see how happy I am? That really like elevated my brows. You know what I'm saying? So now we're really going to put the final stamps on the brow by, you know, cleaning it up. This part is crucial because it got to look clean. You don't want messy red brows leaking all over the place. So I like to clean it up with some concealer. I'm using Fawn concealer from LA Girl, and I'm also going to outline the top of the brow as well.
My face compared to the rest of my body is kind of dark, and that's kind of annoying when I'm trying to match foundations and I'm trying to match my neck and my chest, because the rest of my body is like super light and then my face is like really dark. I guess that means that I don't wear enough sunscreen, but it's like I try, and when sunscreen started being cool for me, I guess it was too late. And sometimes it's like really hard to match my complexion, but usually I do use the Fenty, but today we feeling a little fancy and we are gonna try the YSL. This is the Morphe M439 brush. I love this brush. It's one of my favorite brushes for applying foundation. So it's perfect for my discolorations. It's great for coverage. It's super dense, so it's perfect for like my discolorations and stuff, because I do love full coverage makeup, and when I do have breakouts like I do today, I like to use this brush to, you know, help cover them. So before I blend out my concealer, I'm just gonna do this to blend out the concealer I put all over my face, just to cover those dark spots. That acne, man, it's a confidence killer. I'm taking my beauty blender. This is actually not a beauty blender. I forgot what website I got this on, but it was like $2 and it works great. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. Well, it's already damp, but I'm gonna I think this might be my favorite part of doing my makeup, blending concealer out. Like, I feel so happy.
Alright, so now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to put a dot of that under each eye. I like a bright under eye, but I don't want to look too crazy. So I'm just going to put a little dot of that and then blend out the rest of the concealer. And right after that, I'm going to go in with some Laura Mercier Honey powder. I really like this powder because it makes my face look super smooth, and I just like the finish of it. So if you are looking for a new powder, I would definitely recommend this one.
So for today's eyes, I am going to go in with a little bit of eyeshadow, not too crazy, only because the eyebrows are a lot, the hair is a lot, and I'm probably going to do like a little burgundy lip, so I don't want to do too much, you know. So I'm going in with the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. This is a really great affordable palette, and it has really nice colors for everyday use. I'm probably going to mix like these two together. Alright, so yeah, we're just going to buff that in our crease like this. All right, so that's right where I want it, and I'm just gonna take a clean brush and blend out up here. I'm thinking, should I ruin my look with a wing? Yes, I should. Before I do that though, this color is really speaking to me right now.
So I'm going to start applying my wing now. I'm using the Wet n Wild pencil. This one is called like H2O or something like that. And I'm surprised I didn't mess this up, to be honest, because I haven't done a wing in months, and doing a wing I feel like really requires a special skill. Sometimes you have a good day and other times it's just like all over the place. Today was one of my better days, you know. and I'm very, very proud of that. So I like to start at the front of my lid using small strokes, and then I like to start extending that wing towards the end of my eye and then pulling it forward. I'm actually surprised I didn't have to double dip too much, but yeah, I definitely like this one. I know e.l.f. has a good one as well that I also recommend.
All right, so my camera shut off, boo, but I went ahead and just applied that liner on the other eye, and I also applied my lashes. Today I'm using the Kiss lashes. This is the multi-pack, and they're bomb. I love them. They're super natural, everyday type lashes. I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. Today I'm using the Glam mascara, and I'm just gonna apply that really quickly. After that, I'm going in with some face powder. Blush. I like to bring my blush all the way up, all the way up, a little bit on the nose. And now, for my favorite part. I was gonna go in with a darker color, but I decided that I'm just gonna stick with plum. One of my favorite lip glosses from MAC as well. This one is called Spite. I'm gonna just plant that on top. When can we stop wearing masks? I miss lipstick and lip gloss. Sick of the chapstick. I feel like a whole new chick. Oh, I gotta do my edges. I'll be right back. All right, so I am back and I am so excited and pumped. I'm just gonna do some finishing touches. Oh my gosh. Oh, I should have covered my brows. This is the full transformation. I'm so happy. I know it's a little messy, but we're not gonna look in the background. We're just looking at me. We're just looking at me and the light. I'm gonna let y'all just. What? Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. COVID ain't stopping nothing over here. Nothing. You feel me? I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what you guys want to see. And you know, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. Like this video if you are feeling this transformation. If you want to see more, definitely let me know, and I will see you in my next one.